Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my mini happy planner. And this planner was originally a vertical planner, but I turned it into a dashboard layout by just changing out the inserts. So I'm going to be planning for the week of February 21st through the 27th. So let me put the pages to the side. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I plan with my pages off of the disc. It just makes it a lot easier for me to move things around. So I've got a sticky note here so that I can watch out for Tiffy Tuesday on Villa Beautiful. She has a special promotional sale going on the 22nd, so I had to make sure I put that in. And this week I'm going to be using the Color Story mini book. And I'm planning on using the Papillon collection. I think that's how you say it. So, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up. And when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, that is it. That was a really quick little spread. That's why I like color story books from the Happy Planner. Everything is already coordinated for you, and so you just pick a section and put down your stickers. So, all right, so let's see. The last thing I need to do is to pick out some BB pens for this week, for this spread. Let's see. I think I'm going to choose, let's see. I'm looking for something that kind of matches this coral color. You know what? I think that this is Lovey Dovey. It's the collaboration, the 2021 Advent collaboration with Paper Dove Shop. So I think that's pretty. And I normally have more than one because a girl likes to have options, but let's see. I think I'm going to just go with that one for this week. So, yeah. So that's it. All right, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.